Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you one of our Colorado off-road trailers. This one is in a great size. It's a 6x12 with a 6'6" interior height, so you can stand up. These are meant to be true off-road trailers, as they give you guys about 19 inches worth of ground clearance, and they're set up for multi-uses. They're insulated with windows, power, AC, battery, whole lot of goodies that we're going to go through right now. You guys can view all of our inventory online always at getmytrailer.com, or always send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. It's the quickest place to reach us nowadays. This one's in our beautiful metallic platinum silver. It's a thicker aluminum skin. Does have the blackout package as well. Stock number 15711. You guys can see you do have a generator box and platform on the front. Does not come with a generator, but gives you a place to ride and store that unit. You've got a nice big long tongue here, side swivel jack that flips up out of the way, and a removable front coupler, great for adding an articulating hitch. This also pulls out and removes this whole end piece right here, so it's really great for anti-theft purposes as well. It is equipped with 30 amp power, so you do have a twist lock plug here on the front. Here's a good shot of this side. Now these trailers are really tall. This trailer is going to be over 9 feet tall to the top of that AC unit up there, because you do get all of the great ground clearance with these trailers. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there. A step so you can get in and out a lot easier. And then you also have a exterior GFI outlet right there. That's that little box that you guys see. Party light off the side, all aluminum roof rack and ladder. That's a great place to store those big bulky items you want to get out of the trailer. It's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed up there on top. I believe that's like a 4x5. No, that one would be a 6x5, excuse me. So give you guys some kind of an idea of what is actually up there. 3,500 pound torsion axle with a brake. You've got this awesome big knobby Mudterrain tire as well, and a black American racing wheel on this unit. Black diamond plate fender. We also run stabilizer jacks under the back, so you've got the extra stability when you guys want to drop from your vehicle and get in and out, and have, again, that extra stability with your trailer. This one has a rear ramp door, of course. You can load and unload your toys. Rear deck option, so you guys can fold those stabilizer jacks down and also use it as a rear deck. You've got a couple of load lights off the back as well, and these load lights that you guys see there, as well as this party light. And your puck lights on the interior are all going to be ran right here with this battery. So you've got a battery box, battery charger, and again, that's just a really great feature because it allows you to have light on the inside and outside of your vehicle without having to have it plugged into your vehicle, or without having to have a generator on. Now here's your 30 amp box right here, and again, your twist lock plugs on the front, so you guys can plug into a generator, a campground, an extension cord, however you're going to bring power into the trailer, and that will power up your interior outlets. So you do have, it looks like 3 or 4 interior outlets in here. So you've got some great place to plug some stuff in. And that's also going to run your overhood 4-foot LED lights. So you've got 2 of these guys. And then you also have a Dometic AC unit in this trailer as well, so you have the ability to cool this thing down, have some climate control. And then here's the little puck lights that we talked about right here that are going to run off that battery. So kind of give you guys an idea of what you've got in here for lighting. Great options. And then of course switches for everything, so you can turn stuff on and off as needed. Insulated walls and ceiling. You've got an aluminum wall and ceiling liner in here, so it's nice and bright and clean and easy to take care of. Our performance Nudo floor with Drymax. It's a great durable floor. It's got a water resistant property on the underneath side of the trailer. You've got 4 D-rings for tie down points. And then a Max Air roof vent. Doesn't have a fan in it, but it's got the bubble cover over it, so you guys won't have to worry about that leaking water in. And then you've got 2 nice big 18x44 slider windows with screens. This is a tinted lockable window as well, so you guys have that great versatility there. Light switch back here is to turn on those load lights off the back, so you guys can drop that ramp door and easily access those load lights. Again, 6'6" interior height, so most people will be able to stand up in here no problem. And then you've got 12 feet of length, 6 foot wide here on the interior as well. 3-year factory warranty with this trailer, and we ship. So if you guys aren't here, no worries, give us a call. We ship all over the country all the time. We've got very reasonable rates, and we can get this trailer delivered right to your door. So again, 303-688-8485. Best place to reach us always is by email right now at sales@getmytrailer.com, or of course, just go right to the website, getmytrailer.com. You can purchase our units online and submit for a shipping quote right there as well. So we would love to earn your business, and if you are watching us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.